Hey guys, this is Katie with the channel Weather Spazify, and right now it is the evening of December, trying to pull down the date on my phone camera, the evening of Wednesday, December 19th, just a few days before Christmas, right? If you celebrate Christmas. If you don't, happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah. I am earthing in a parking lot right now, and it's the first time I've actually earthed or grounded myself in the evening time, and it's pretty damn peaceful. This is close to one of the trees I filmed at in one of my earlier videos. This right here is the reverse or flip side of the tree that I was at on Thanksgiving. There's like a perfect little seat right here, and it's really cool because literally I can just plop up on it like it's an actual seat, and I can just like lean back like that. But it's kind of hard to get fully situated. Let me see. But yeah, anyways, so I've got my body and my hands up on here, immersed on the tree to really pick up the vibes of nature. On top of that, I just got some organic foods from Whole Foods right here. I love Whole Foods in terms of being able to have easier access to healthier, more natural, authentic foods. I mean, I know not all foods at Whole Foods are going to be perfectly in their natural form, but it's close as it gets to being as organic and natural and to the source as possible. And on top of the organic healthy foods in Whole Foods, I want to mention the benefits of being around high vibrational energies. A lot of people who work at Whole Foods or who shop at Whole Foods tend to be on a higher frequency or a higher vibratory frequency, meaning that they're tend to be more peaceful, higher vibes, and have already pierced through the first layers of the veil and can really see reality for what it is beyond the 3D matrix. And I find that when I'm near these people or just come in close proximity to them, I tend to feel better, and I tend to be able to release and dispel any negativity that I've been carrying on my shoulders for a while much more easily than if I were to say continuously be around the same lower vibrational energies that one tends to be around daily if really caught in a dirty electricity area or a urban setting with a lot of cell phone towers, electromagnetic wireless devices, transmitters, boxy commercialized buildings and enterprises, things like that of that nature. Now, it's ironic because I am in the middle of a shopping mall and there are a lot of boxy areas, cell towers, and things like that. But on the flip side, there's a lot of nature still here too. And one thing I respect about Whole Foods is that they decided to keep some actual trees in their parking lot as opposed to just chopping them all down and just having pavement. And so literally, as I'm walking out of the store and back to my car, I had a choice. I could continue walking on the pavement like everybody else and follow the normal sheeple or cattle. No offense to cows. I'm a vegetarian. I love animals. But I actually had a choice. I had a choice between continually walking on the pavement or walking on the grassy surface right here beneath me and hopping up on this tree and making this video for you all. And for myself. This is kind of to remind myself of the benefits of just taking a moment before just running away in my car and leaving after running some errands, to just take a breather, get in touch with nature, be grateful and appreciate what we have for free, because some of the most readily available things in nature that are free to us are the most richest, abundant resources on this planet. Like nature, you can't price. There's no value on it. Like, I wouldn't sell nature for any amount of money. Nature makes me happier than any other material thing on this planet, because nature is so much more than any material or physical appearance. It has vibrations, it has frequencies, it has healing properties. It connects us all as part of the flower of life grid on our earth and reminds us to love unconditionally and operate on a higher frequency so that we can help each other and work as one. John Lennon's song, Imagine, I just so happened to listen to before going into Whole Foods, and it really was playing in the background of my head and got me thinking about the importance of dismantling all of these labels that we've put on ourselves, and labels that we have amongst countries and borders and titles and executive of this or master's degree or PhD or high school diploma. Those labels were merely just made by a few families or a few members of the elite to try to separate and divide us. Really, we are all one. We are all the same people. I mean, we're not all the same. We do have marked differences, but on a soul level, we're all the same. We're all looking for the same things. We all want to feel loved. We all want to also be love, embody that, and emanate that outwards. We all want to have enough food, resources, shelter, and really thrive on this planet instead of survive. We need to spin that word. We need to transmute the survival mode or frequency that most Americans have been in. Not Americans, see, I just use that label. Humans. We need to transmute the frequency of survival into thrival or thriving, right? Multi-thrival, so that we can all thrive together and spin up and increase our vibes and really, really fly high as one, so that we can dismantle these old programs and old systems that have just been creating confusion and separation and causing us common people to argue with one another over really nothing. You know, the more that we share and the more they come together, the more love, peace, and harmony there is, and it's beautiful. So I just wanted to share some of these ideas as they were flowing through me, and I hope you're having a wonderful week. Don't get too stressed out with the commercialism aspect of the holidays. Enjoy yourself, get yourself a little something special, and get something special for others within reason. Somebody in Whole Foods actually had just told me that she got some really cool stuff at the Dollar Tree, and she reminded me of the importance of just trying to start small and try to go to the Dollar Tree before going anywhere else, so that you can really budget better. And that's really a good idea, because there's a lot of cool stuff at the Dollar Tree, man. So also in nature for free. Sometimes the things that we make with our hands, like creative artwork and stuff, are the best presents. So we really don't need to be spending money unless we really want to. It's a choice. Free will, right? All right. Peace, love, and light. The moon's above me a bit. I can't see it. I can't get it on camera. Oh, there it is. Yeah. And light from me to you. The full moon in Cancer is approaching, by the way, on the 22nd of December. So happy vibes to that. Peace, love, and light. Bye, everyone. Namaste.